Introducing the revolutionary Blade window lock, the heart of the next generation of window security systems from Yale Durham Window Solutions. Blade's groundbreaking Keep design totally eliminates alignment issues during manufacturing. The innovative fully retracting mechanism completely eradicates cam clash, and the patented rotary action delivers a smooth, effortless operation with virtually no wear to the gearbox, providing optimum compression performance for the life of the lock. Blade's clever removable cassette-based gearbox allows simple switching between left and right hand operation, negating the need for a handed product and providing an efficient, hassle-free repair solution. So, thought you knew window locks? Think again.